Hi, Sharon Danley here with another 2-minute tip. This week the question is being asked, can a justice advocate and a beauty expert coexist in the same person? Oh, you betcha they can. At least in my opinion they can. And each relies on the other for strength, courage, support, and believability. Working, unpaid for decades, for justice for the disadvantaged and disabled, for women's rights, and for the eradication of sexual abuse in every sector, including governments and institutions, is mighty tough work. And working as an unpaid master artist for women's healthy self-esteem, coaching them to make better presentations while buoying up their realistic beauty confidence and pulling the curtain back on the beauty and media industries targeting that women aren't good enough unless they buy propaganda is also tough work. So, why do I do it? Because I'm called to. It's as simple and as complex as that. Actually, the two, while spheres apart, strengthen one another. They truly do. You want to be taken seriously? You better look and speak your best. You want to embrace your most beautiful self? You better give voice to your conscience. Both spheres need the other to be fully functioning. I maintain one should put your best foot, face, and frock forward. After all, believability is heavily reliant on presentability. And I also maintain that supreme packaging that has nothing to offer is hollow. While preparing a deputation to government or creating a free digital makeover for women who are duped by the cosmetics industry, I lean on both aspects. But to round out this dynamic duo and give it the power of three, I heartily confess that the spiritual component in all things I do is the third essential component. Advocacy work is horrendous at times, and the justifiable anger at militant ignorance can get the better of a person. Yet, when I speak what must be spoken and do what must be done, with respect and loving strength of courage, there is a beauty to it. And when I'm coaching women on their makeup and hair so they look and feel their honest best, I always find that when they are encouraged to respectfully yet firmly voice their conscience, it truly brings out their healthy radiance and confidence, no matter what the age or ability. So, the answer to this question is a definitive yes. Advocacy without good packaging gets overlooked. Beauty that is not internally developed is hollow, and spirituality leads the way in both aspects. Advocacy plus beauty plus spirituality equals well-rounded women at any age, ability, color, socioeconomic status. So that's my take on things. We'll see you next time.